Hi guys, today I am going to make fridge magnet. Required things: cardboard, paint, pencil, scissors, paintbrush, rice, magnets, glue, molded epoxy compound and then hot glue. Draw MOM on a cardboard and cut it. Now the three letters are ready. Take some rice in a bowl. Add some paint to it. And mix it well. Likewise, color the rice in different paints. Now the colored rice is ready. Now mix all the colored rice. See, it looks like candies. Now apply glue on the three letters and sprinkle the rice on it. Now the rice has been set. Now to make it more firmer, add glue to water and apply the mixture on all the three letters. Now the letters are ready. Let us stick it together using the hot glue gun. Now stick the magnets here using the hot glue gun. Now the fridge magnet is ready. I made it for the Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye friends. Have a nice day.